Because I notice now, I have a problem with some nowadays now. Where I get up at dead, you know. Because some man, you know, so when them have blood clot, they get slim. I want someone that weigh 500 pounds and a dead and 6 man have to carry. You know what size 6 man have to carry for you? I want to do some boy. Some boy, if you just dead at the age of 2 pounds and 3 pounds and then pound there. We are dead at 500 pounds and 1000 pounds. With the blood clot, who fill it you up? You think man a crane boy, yeah?
So what them must do, Ninja, stop eating. 10 tour in a one. This man him rush out of my house. I'm hungry like dog.
Me look hungry to you? John Crow.
How would a dirty dog you call John Crow? I drive past Donald's Caribbean restaurant. Rush in at the restaurant like say, yo, me a madman. I see one nice thick Jamaican lady I serve up. I say, alright then, serve me up a small red peas. She say, small. You need medium. You look like say she look upon me and see hungry mark upon my face.